Good morning everyone. This is our project Purti Planet at Behala, just 1.6 km from Behala Chourasta, and this is a 3 BHK actual apartment of 1125 square feet sellable area. So come inside. You can see this is a beautiful living cum dining space, and just adjacent to that you can see this is the attached balcony with living cum dining area, and see the view, beautiful view, green view. So you can see in the far distance those buildings are there in Bakultala Bazaar. So now come this side. So this is the lobby space, and just on my right you can see this is the kitchen space. Beautiful L pattern kitchen with separate space for refrigerator. This is black granite countertop with stainless sink with a French style window, and adequate electrical points will be given. So now again come this side. So on my right again, this is the common toilet area. Beautiful common toilet with wash basin, wall mount commode, and separate space for bath. And just opposite to the common toilet, this is the first bedroom. Standard size first bedroom. The size of this bedroom is approximately 12 feet into 10 feet with ample electrical fittings will be given, with a big size wardrobe space and a very beautiful French style window with a breathtaking view of the city and some green views. So now come again. So we are moving towards the lobby again, and again you can see this is the second bedroom. So come inside. This is the second bedroom with same pattern, one big size wardrobe and one big size French window, ample space, same size, almost 12 feet into 10.5 with ample electrical fittings. Now you can see this is the master bedroom. So come inside. So this is the master bedroom with a very big size French window with excellent view of the city and green view. Along with that you can see this is the attached toilet space. So come inside. This is the attached toilet space along with separate space for bath, wall mount commode and basin area, and this is another wardrobe space. So overall this is an excellent flat for maximum utilization of space. We are generated 3 bedroom with 2 toilets, 1 kitchen and 1 balcony, big size. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching this video. If you are interested, then please call us as early as possible, because we are having very limited availability right now, and this is ready to move in condition, so no GST, and we are having some limited time offers also. So please call us as soon as possible. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.